In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish videos on Substack. If you're a content creator looking to engage with your audience through video content, Substack offers a simple yet powerful platform to share your visual stories. So let's dive into the process of making your video content live on Substack. First, let's start by navigating to Substack's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look out for the Posts section. This is your gateway to crafting new content, so go ahead and click on it. You'll find a button labeled New Post. This is where our journey begins. Choosing video post from the available options is your next step, which allows you to specifically cater to video content rather than written articles. With the basics set, it's time to upload your video. You'll see an option to select a file. Hit select file and browse through your device to pick the video you've prepared. This is your moment to showcase your visual storytelling. So pick that perfect file and it'll start uploading to the platform. While the video uploads, take a moment to think about its presentation on your page. Creating an engaging title can draw viewers in, so consider what captures the essence of your video succinctly. Next, a subtitle helps provide a bit more context, offering teaser information that might intrigue your readers. Keep these elements clear and complementary to each other. Now, let's add a description. This is your opportunity to tell your potential viewers why they should click play. What's the story behind this video? What are the insights they'll gain? Craft a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. Once you're satisfied with the descriptive elements, you might find it useful to close the contextual menu on the right, clearing the workspace so you can focus on finalizing your post. To continue, click on the Continue button. You'll now determine who gets to see your post by setting its visibility. You may choose to make it public or perhaps restrict it to subscribers, depending on your community engagement strategy. One of the great features of Substack is the ability to stimulate conversation, so enabling comments can create a dynamic interaction with your audience. Don't forget to add tags, they help categorize your content and can increase discoverability across the platform. If you're planning your content calendar meticulously, you can opt to schedule your post for a specific time. However, if you're ready and excited to share it immediately, selecting Send to Everyone Now will make your post live. And there you have it, your video post is now accessible to your audience. Watch as they engage, comment, and enjoy your visual content on Substack. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.